shop. I know a lot of you getting the precision glue gels in the sub box. Only you need to do is to grab this too, then you become a 3-step method, and then the special sales going on. So you get a huge sales. So when you receive your order, in the order is also included $100, so then you can use it in a future purchase. So no limits of how much you have to spend in order for you to get $100. Yeah.
Awesome.
So here I'm going to tell you a tip and trick. All you need to do is sub the box and get all goodies in the box. I told a lot of you, and a lot of you did that. It's so awesome. This is special appreciation from Glitz to every single of you. We're grateful for every single of you. However, we want to support you in your journey. So that is the best thing we do, so that everybody win-win. So you're all getting your beautiful products. Also, is more gift from Glitz, so then you can able to purchase it, use it to stock up your inventory, you know, in the next coming up seasons, summer times comings, all beautiful season. So I am using just a smaller beads, like about a size of the little beans, you know, and you are using your tinted brush and blend it out. It looks like it's not a big lumps. It's like floating and blending really nicely on the nails. So we'll follow, don't key anything yet. Thank you, Mika. Don't key anything yet. And then we are going to floating the crystal, the no white top coat right on the top. So, somehow I keep going to the right. Oh my gosh, it's weird though. Okay. All right, so which one first? The gloves. It looks like it's make me thinking of a Easter eggs. You know? Which one is first? Hey, Lily.
Do the glove first.
Okay, glove first. So which one? We can do this one. We can do green. The green looks good. This is randomly. I like this one. Maybe I should have this one. Like
I really like that.
You like that one? It's like, okay, so should we do that, or should we do this opposite color? Maybe contrast colors. Okay, let's try this. And then we can always have it for the next nails, you know?
Right.
I mean, it's so cool. The reason I like it so much because it already have a frame on it. It looks like exactly Easter eggs.
I'm loving those.
So adorable. And then I'm gonna using this from the, I think it was a Valentine starter kit, but it's Valentine, but actually I use it all year long. I don't care. It looks cute.
And we have them in a set of 8 colors, right? The bubble crystals.
Yes. The set of 8 colors, you can able to get it as well. It doesn't, you don't have to get. Can you do me a favor? Can you grab me the kits on the top? See that? Oh my god, I'm putting this one. I'm seeing the pink one. Did I get the pink one? It looks like I got the pink one. It looks cool though. It's had different color. I think this one it jumped off. Oh, Mika witnessed me with this one when I was working, and then it just somehow is that what happened? It felt.
Yeah.
It's like
It
hey.
slid off the edge.
It's like hey, bye, see ya. So here's important. However you doing your design, as long as you getting your centerpiece first, and then you can do however you want. You can do your centerpiece first, and then you can place all of a different crystal around with it. You can do frame, you can do however you want. Oh my god, it's super adorable.
It is. This is my next set. I'm gonna do it.
This is your next set.
Yes. This is so cute.
Goes so well with this. All right, let me see. Fascinating. It's so beautiful. The glove is going so well.
Yes, it is. It looks so good.
I want a double frame like that. What do you think?
Oh, that's so cool.
So you'll never go wrong with this. Here I'm using the metal frame, like silver and gold metal frame.
Oh,
Did I mess it up? That okay?
No, it looks great.
All right.
That looks amazing.
Good? Okay,
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
I just want to make sure that I don't miss.
Oh no, you didn't miss anything.
Look, I double it. You like?
Yes, that is adorable.
Ooh, I like it even more. See?
It's so cute.
They're so cute. Okay, now I can pick it up. You can move it on the side. So now you can definitely do, there's so many different ways to do this. I can go on and on, but then you can't see your ombre at all. It's okay. Leave it like that. Can you,
Yeah, what you need?
any of the kids have a frame in there? Have like, I need some arrow, something like that. You know, you will never go wrong with this because on each kit, it has the frame and then metals. Oh my gosh. And
Mm-hmm.
we have another one.
Yep, right here.
Is that the same?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, nice. Or the round one. I'm looking for that one. Oh, can you show it online?
Sure. This kit here?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is that? The first kit?
This one, yes it is.
Sorry everyone, I was like, we're talking about the kids. You're gonna see this kit. This is my favorite kit. I love it so much.
Glow in the Dark Kit Volume 1.
It's falling one, the series one.
Yes.
Am I here still under the camera?
Yes. Left. Nope, you could have left it and just, yeah, right there. Perfect.
All right. Okay. So here, Mika will show you really quick. You see that I was using a lot of frame from this kit. So now from this, any of the kits that you like, even like Ultimate Crystal Kits, Perfect Combinations, or the Ultimate Crystal Kits number 1, number 2, you will never go wrong with this. It has so many frames and beads to get you to the, definitely to the crystal placement into the next level. So it doesn't matter whatever kits you are going to choose, you will never have a hard time to create any designs, even like spontaneous. You can do any of the designs out of like nowhere, so you not even have to place them together first, and just like enjoying having fun, like freestyle basically. So I am going to place some beads on. Also come in the kits as well, the big beads, smaller beads. I'm going to using a smaller beads in this beautiful designs. You know what, if you don't want any beads on anytime, absolutely you can go ahead and key it. Don't have to add any beads if you prefer not to. And then we can key it. So I think I'm happy with this. I can go on and on because
It's beautiful, Nan.
because it can't stop. You know how a thing is, like when you start place one crystal, you know it, huh, Mika?
Yes, ma'am.
And then you get stopped, like, oh, I can add more here and more here, and say, where, Nancy, where's the ombre? I have a client don't even like care. She just want ombre, and she want glitter ombre, and she want bling everything else. So it doesn't matter. Just, you know, whatever you like.